Hello, Raiders. What we are here to talk about today is how to access Naviance. For some of you who are returning from last year and had some challenges getting to Naviance, I think we've got some pretty good news for you. So please watch and listen closely as we help you access our Career and College Readiness online program. It's used throughout the year in CCR, and I think it really builds, we think it really builds in its use as you move through Northfield High School. We think it's there to help you identify some interests and figure out how those interests connect to some careers, and figure out how those careers have different pathways, and then figure out what you need and want to pursue when you are done with your time at Northfield High School. So take a look at the screen. On your iPad, which hopefully you have out and are ready to follow along as we do this, you need to find a button, let's call it a button, that says ClassLink. We are using a student iPad to do this demonstration, so yours might be organized a little differently, but we know there's a button called ClassLink. It's bluish, says ClassLink underneath, looks like a cloud. Once you find it, tap it. If you're already familiar with ClassLink, this might be a little bit redundant for you. Once you tap it, it's going to ask you to sign into your school Google account. So tap on the bar that says sign in with Google. It's going to ask if you want to do this, and you do, so hit continue. Brings you to your Google login screen. Thank you, Olivia Rasmussen, for letting us use your Google account and your iPad. Tap on your school Google account, and most of you will have some system that lets you get in right away, which is great, like Olivia does. Once you've opened ClassLink, you'll see some buttons that really the benefit of ClassLink is you can open anything and everything without having to log in every time, which is really huge for Naviance, because the login for Naviance is different than the login for several other programs that we use. So find the Naviance icon, kind of green and gray star looking thing, says Naviance Student Login, and tap on that. And really, that should do it for every student we've tested this with. It has taken that student right into the landing page for Naviance. From there, you might have different activities or things that you're going to pursue in your grade level CCRs. So we are going to stop right there because now you're into Naviance, and let the fun begin. Thanks for listening.